Today I would like to show you on board the Arcadia A85 Angels, delivered in 2015 with only 1,600 engine hours. One of the key features of this yacht is a large main deck 100 square meter open plan layout with 360-degree view on the sea. The superstructure was moved forward in order to have 5 enjoyment areas. 4 guest cabins with a forward VIP cabin and an aft master cabin. Angels is equipped with 2 730 horsepower MAN engines. She can comfortably cruise at 12 knots with a maximum speed of 16 knots. At cruising speed, the total engine fuel consumption is of 70 liters an hour.